If you don't like oatmeal, it's probably because you've been eating bland oatmeal for all of your life. I remember how when I was younger, I absolutely hated oatmeal. Everyone around me also hated oatmeal, and it's no wonder why. It was only served to us by itself. No fruits, no flavorings, no nothing. So in this video, I will show you how you can make oatmeal absolutely delicious and also high in protein, which will help you achieve your fitness goals much faster. Okay, enough talking, let's get to cooking. So, the first thing that you need to do is to boil some water in a pot. Then add your oatmeal, a pinch of salt, and mix everything up. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. After it's been simmering for a couple of minutes, cover the pot with a lid, remove it from the heat and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Now that the oatmeal has been sitting for some time, it has thickened up, but my oatmeal is still too runny because I did not add enough oats. To make it thicker, I added some ground flaxseed while mixing up the oatmeal, just so the flaxseed does not clump up. When you have your desired consistency, it's time to add a scoop of protein powder. I'm using coffee flavor. Then mix everything up and your oatmeal is basically done. All you need to do now is to put it in a bowl and figure out what toppings you want to use. I used the kiwi, banana and walnuts. You can use all sorts of fruits, berries and nuts. I hope that you now know how you can make oatmeal absolutely delicious and also high in protein at the same time. There's really no end to the flavors that you can experiment with when making your oatmeal. There's a saying, if you don't like oatmeal, it's because you haven't adjusted it to your liking. Have a great day and remember, do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Peace.